Olive oil is known for its many health benefits, but it can be inappropriate or even harmful in some cases. Here are 10 cases in which olive oil may be unhelpful or harmful. Using it for cooking at high temperatures. Olive oil is not suitable for cooking at high temperatures because it has a relatively low smoke point. This means that it can decompose when overheated, producing harmful compounds. Allergy to olive oil. Some people may be allergic to olive oil, which can appear as a rash, itching, or swelling. Consuming it in large quantities. Although olive oil is healthy, consuming it in large quantities can lead to weight gain due to its high calorie content. Digestive problems. Olive oil may cause some digestive problems such as diarrhea if consumed in large quantities, especially for people with irritable bowel syndrome. Low blood pressure. Olive oil helps lower blood pressure, so it may not be suitable for people with low blood pressure or who are taking blood pressure-lowering medications. Kidney problems. Olive oil is high in potassium and may not be suitable for people with kidney problems or who need to regulate their potassium levels. Interaction with certain medications. Olive oil can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners or blood pressure medications, which may lead to unwanted effects. Use on irritated skin or open wounds. Applying olive oil to irritated skin or open wounds may increase irritation or infection. Use for infants. Some studies suggest that olive oil may not be the best choice for massaging infants, as it may cause irritation or allergic reactions. Consumption during pregnancy in moderate amounts. Although olive oil is considered safe to use during pregnancy in moderate amounts, excessive consumption may affect body fat levels or cause digestive problems. It is always best to consult a doctor or health professional before using olive oil on a regular basis, especially if you have a certain health condition.